Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website or landing page. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at how to add a blog to your Landingi landing page. So I've already created a landing page within my Landingi account. A few things to notice here. A lot of landing page builders use iframe technology to embed HTML code. So because of that, the elements are sort of on top of each other. And the best solution is to either have an empty landing page and to just embed the blog, or to embed the blog at the bottom of the landing page and not in the middle. All right, so I chose to have an empty landing page. And now we have to go here all the way down and click on HTML and drag and drop it here. Perfect. Now click on Edit HTML, and here is the place where we have to put our BlogHandy code. Let's go to BlogHandy. Under code snippet, copy the first code and drop it here, and then take the second code, copy it and also paste it here, and just click on Save and Close. Now we can adjust the size a bit here to make it fit to our landing page better. And then here is some information about the visibility of the layer. Just click on Change Layer, move to top, and then let's publish. Perfect, so our page has been published and is live now. With Landingi, you have three options. You can either add a custom subdomain within your domain, you can publish it to WordPress, or you can embed it on your server. I've already done that, so we have a demo page for that, and I can show you that page in a moment, and you will see how our blog loads. All right, this is our demo page. Let's refresh that, and this is what we have so far. So we have our categories, we have our blog posts, and now what we want to do, you want to copy that link wherever your landing page is, wherever you see this main list of your blog posts, and you will go to BlogHandy, Settings, and drop it under blog URL and click on Save All Changes. Next, if you want, you can change the design to any of those other designs that we currently offer, let's say the pop grid, and instantly you just have to go back to your landing page, you refresh it, and it will load the new design. If you want to change the styling, the CSS styling of an existing design, let's say the modern grid, let's go back to that one, it's our default blog design. And you might have noticed that the headlines are quite small. So all you have to do in BlogHandy is go all the way down to custom CSS and just write your own headline 1 H1. For example, font size is 1.5 rem and the line height is 1.75 rem, and just click on Save and refresh your landing page. Now it's already bigger, maybe too big, maybe too small, whatever size you want, you can just change it. And if you're not feeling comfortable with doing custom CSS changes, always reach out to our team, send us a screenshot, tell us what you want to change, and we're happy to help you there. If you need any further help connecting BlogHandy to your Landingi account, just reach out to us and we're happy to help you. Bye bye and happy blogging.